Any mention?
May it please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18 of today's list. Your Lordship, in this matter, we are required to obtain certain documents from GHADC, but GHADC, Your Lordship, is on strike. So I pray if Your Lordship could kindly accommodate us.
No objection. My lord, I appear for the state.
I appear for the private respondent here.
Yes.
I pray for 2
And
weeks.
it's been two weeks already that GHADC is already open and it's functioning.
So we'll obtain the required document, Your Lordship, in a minute. So I pray for 3 weeks, Your Lordship. Highly obliged.
Just say the request made on behalf of the petitioner. This is made after 3 weeks. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 12, Your Lordship. I have taken the concern of the others.
12 and 13.
12 and 13.
Yes.
No objection.
For
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
this also same order.
12 and 13.
12 at the request of the petitioner.
12 and 13.
Yes.
No objection.
Your Lordship, similar prayer for item number 16, Your Lordship. 16.
My lord, for the state, I have no objections.
Same order. Yes.
Highly
Thank you,
obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, Your Lordship. Lordship, the Court of Appeal concerned Mr. Pubin is out of station. I can you pray for 1 week's time, Your Lordship?
I'm for the petition, no objection.
Item 14. After
1 week, Your Lordship.
for 1 week. Okay, just item 14 as a request made on behalf of the respondent. Request made on behalf of Mr. R. Even. Learning legal aid counsel appearing with the respondent. This is after a week. Yes.
Much obliged, Your
Highly
Lordship.
obliged. May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 5, Your Lordship. Lordship, I pray if this matter may be listed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Who is petitioner?
Mr. M. Chanda, Your Lordship.
You are not audible, Mr. Chanda.
My lord, I have no objection, my lord. I have no objection, my lord.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
The request made on behalf of Dr. N. Majiga, London DSG, appearing for the respondents. This is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship, I have beg to make a mention of item 6. This matter can come out 2 weeks.
Why was it? It was hard quits.
No, my lord, this was not briefly heard because it went to the court number 1, my lord, for a certain period, and then it has come back again to lordship.
Went to the.
Yes, my lord. Initially, lordship has heard it, but then before it could be concluded, it went to court number 1. So it has come back again.
This is a service matter, isn't it?
My lord, yes.
School teacher.
My lord.
And she's
No,
out
my
of-
lord, not school teacher. It's PWD department, my lord.
And she's out of service now.
My lord, I'm not very versed with the entire facts, my lord, but not school teacher.
You are not appearing this matter.
Mr. KP Bhattacharjee and Zeti Nongkandri are the conducting counsel, my lord.
So right now you have no objection.
No objection, my lord.
So and so, London Council looking for the petitioner. Please for grant us. Please for adjournment of the matter by 2 weeks. MSR Colony, London. G. Appearing for district second, there is no objection. Look, this after 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 8.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks accommodation, Your Lordship, in this matter.
My
That is
lord,
in relation to the
it can
payment
be a
of-
joint request, my lord. Mr. Pandey is also still in the festive, my lord. They are still having some
So
rituals.
the joint request made with the parties. This is matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord.
Yes. Item number 8. Yes.
Lordship, similar prayer for item 9.
Who is appearing for the respondent item 9?
Here, the main counsel is KP, Mr. KP, Lordship. So I'm appearing together with him. No objection.
9. The request made on behalf of the petitioner. List after 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
Yes.
Highly obliged.
May I please,
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15. Your Lordship, the conducting counsel is out of station. Kindly allow 2 weeks' time.
Who is the other side?
We have no objection, Your Lordship.
It's also same order as the request made. Yes.
Your Lordship, this similar prayer for item number 2.
Item 2.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It's part 1 matter. Just wait the let me.
I'll oblige.
May it please Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19. Your Lordship, kindly have this matter after 2 weeks.
This is an appeal against conviction. In
Lordship,
what case?
Lordship.
In what case?
Oxo matter.
Oxo. Okay, just say learned counsel. Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the appellant. Praise for grant of 2 weeks' time. Mr. Ranger, learned GA, applying for the state respondent has no objection. Prayer word, registered for 2 weeks. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21. Lordship, I am praying for 1 week's time.
Yes. Yes.
1 week, Lordship.
No objections, Madam.
It one at the request made by learned legal aid counsel applying for the appellant. This is matter after rule.
Deeply obliged.
Just at the request made. It's correct. Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10, Your Lordship. I'm
10.
Your Lordship, I pray for 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Why?
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Shri B. Dep, Your Lordship. Due to some difficulty.
What is the problem here? What is the matter about?
It's for quashing the
Oxo
trial, Your Lordship, pending before the special court at Knoxton.
3 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship, no objection.
10, number 10 at the request made on behalf of the petition list of the 3 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Very costless. Item number 1.
Maybe please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, on the last occasion, Your Lordship, there was some mistake with regard to the miscase number, Your Lordship.
Yes.
On my part, Your Lordship, there was some clerical error whereby the miscase was re-registered again, Your Lordship, as 107. The existing miscase was 98, Your Lordship. So we were by order dated.
Oh, this is the same matter.
Yes,
How could
Your
you file a fresh application on the same cause when the court has directed for something else?
My apologies,
And
Your
you did
Lordship.
not basically pointed out before the court that there are two petitions pending for the same purpose. Is it very fair way of doing a case?
No, Your Lordship. My sincere apologies, Your Lordship.
See,
That
your
is a
apology will not do. There is a certain procedure. Court passes one kind of order and you do the thing the way you like.
my sincere apologies, Your Lordship. It won't happen again, Your Lordship.
How can you maintain a second application for the same reason, for the same purpose?
Yes, Your Lordship. That was a clerical error from my part, Your Lordship.
That is okay. For that, the court had passed the order. This court remembers Mr. Mahanto appeared on that occasion
Yes, Your
and
Lordship.
saying that there will be difficulty on the part of the, on your part to obtain signature from the party because
Yes, in
probably
Your
they are
Lordship.
not here in Shillong.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You was allowed that you correct the petition. Instead of doing that, you file an application and you obtain order and you do not even point out to the court that for the same purpose another petition is pending.
My
We
sincere-
detected it only under the time of signing the order. It was pointed out by our office. This is not the
Yes,
correct
Your
way of
Lordship. My
doing
sincere
things.
apologies, Your Lordship, on my part.
Your second application is not happening. We will dismiss that application. The second application which you filed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And Mr. Kharmi, you also should have pointed it out.
No, because they were allowed to make the correction only, not to
It
file
was
the
not
fresh.
correction. That is the problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of correcting that application,
They
they
filed
filed a
fresh
fresh
one.
one.
Yes.
And whether on the previous occasion they made a submission that there is a difficulty on their part to obtain signature.
Yes.
And that is on that basis only the court allowed them to. Otherwise, it would have been proper to withdraw the previous application and file a fresh one.
Yes, Lord. They should have mentioned. They should have.
That is the thing. You see, it cannot be, even during the course of hearing also it was not pointed out.
Yes, Lord.
They should have withdrawn the first one. at
Should have.
least. This is not a very fair way of doing things.
Now the second one, let it be dismissed. Second one.
No, second one. wait for the
Technically, you
first
cannot
one.
maintain.
First
Cannot
one.
maintain second application.
Second application.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And your first application is yet to be corrected. Then your both the application goes. Both the applications will go. This is a problem, you see. It's a criminal matter against conviction, isn't it?
Yes, Lord. Criminal matter.
That is the problem, you see.
Yes.
Mr. Karmi. You withdraw that 98.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You just say, just wait for why. Mr. So-and-so. Item 9, criminal case number, please. Yes, so-and-so. I just do one thing. Just before that you just say it. Because you see, like they should have obtained permission first and they should have filed this application later. You do the things way you like and you do not even go by the court's order. Then what is to be done with the order passed here? By which you are allowed to correct the petition.
Correct.
What happens to that order?
My Lords will correct the petition, Your Lordship. Will correct the petition, Your Lordship.
So you will correct the petition, that means your new application will go then.
Yes. They were allowed to correct only that.
Yes, Your Lordship will.
First application. But they have filed a fresh one.
You said there was a mistake in calculation of dates.
Calculation.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You should have corrected it once court had allowed it. Instead of doing that, you file fresh application.
Yes.
And court had allowed it only because your submission was that you have difficulty in obtaining fresh signature.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You will correct this.
Yes, we'll correct it, Your Lordship.
Yes. Just then we come to case number 93. Just say this is an application seeking continuation of this is case number 107, huh? 107. There is no order sheet in the 107. What? There is no order sheet. No order. Yes. Okay. Yes. 107. Just say this is an application civil condemnation of delay of 6 days in preparing the connected revision application against the impugned judgment and order dated 11/7/2024. Correct?
Yes, Your
Passed by the London District and Session Court at William. Stop. The materials on record reveals that there is another application. There is this case number 98 of 2024 pending before this court for the same reasons. Mr. Lindo, learned counsel appear for the applicant. Praise for withdrawal of the then again the same problem is this. We just say materials on record reveals that criminal case number 98 of 2024 was filed. In the materials on record reveals that criminal case number 98 of 2004 was filed by the same applicant for condemnation of delay in preparing the connected revision application. Stop. Since there are two applications pending for the same purpose, Mr. Lindo, learned counsel for the applicant, prays for withdrawal of this application with liberty to pursue the criminal case number 98 of 2024. Then Mr. Army, learned GA has no objection. Learned additional senior PP.
Additional PP.
Additional PP has no objection. Yeah. It's a prayer alert. This application stands dismissed on withdrawal with the liberty as prayed for by the Stop. Then come to 98. This one is over. Okay, now Miss Case 98. It's just hard learned counsel for the parties. Mr. Lindo, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that in terms of the previous order of this court, the petition is yet to be corrected. So it is for grant of. How many days you need?
Lordship, 3 days.
2 days.
2 days, Lordship.
To correct the petition.
Yes.
Alert. List after a week.
Highly obliged,
On
Lordship.
the last occasion, Lordship, I was not aware that they have filed.
Please point out. See, this is a problem. You see, until and unless a specific prayer for withdrawal is made in the courtroom, we cannot. You see, treat that earlier application withdrawn also, and it's a duty of the counsel. If you file 2 applications for the same purpose, there is your duty to point it out.
I was under the impression that they have done the correction.
Only on their difficulty, this court had allowed it.
Yes, Lord.
Otherwise, this court basically asked them to file a fresh application for that.
Yes.
But then because of Mr. Mohanto had appealed, and then because of his request, we passed order, and then they do something different. Not
Yes.
very fair way.
My sincere
And at
apologies,
least
Lordship.
you should have pointed out.
Apologies, Lordship.
We apologize.
See, more you do it, more you lose. You see, once you lose trust of the court, then you stand nowhere.
Sure, sure.
That is
My
as
sincere
simple.
apologies, Lordship.
There is no shortcut to these procedures.
Obliged, Lordship.
Hearing item number 7.
Please, Lordship. this matter, Your Lordship, this both party, they have made it on the month of September. They have some sort of letter was there. I'm yet to receive that letter. Both party actually on the last occasion also make a submission. There was some development. Both party is trying to meet. Now my petitioner and the respondent, they have met together, and that there is some sort of written something was there. That agreement I have not received. You have yet to give me the copy.
So you want to say that there is some
yes,
sort of settlement in this matter?
Settlement was there. That
Settlement
letter
has been arrived. But then you do not know what is the terms of settlement.
Yes, Lordship. I'm yet to get that copy of that. I will supply also.
You
I'll
do not
give
have
the
any
copy.
instruction. That is all right. But then if submission that comes, we will record the submission.
Yeah, my lord.
Yes. Mr. P.T. Sangma, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner. Shall we say that you have come to a settlement?
Yes, yes. They said there is a letter is there. I'm yet to get it the letter.
Has come to a settlement with the respondent, but right now he is not in a position to place the terms of the said settlement, and prays for grant of some time to obtain necessary instruction in that regard. Mr. Day, learned counsel,
Yes,
appearing for the training counsel.
Yes, sir.
Appearing for the district counsel submits that he has no instructions. Draft paragraph. Say, in view of the prayer made on behalf of the petitioner, release this matter after 2 weeks to enable the learned counsel for the petitioner to obtain necessary instruction.
Lordship. Much praise, Lordship.
Item number 11.
Yes, Mr. Go.
May I start, Your Lordship?
Ready? Parties are ready?
Today, in
Ready?
fact, fixed for.
Mr. Rompuy is on his legs, Your Lordship.
Lordship, if I may pray, Your Lordship, if this matter can be taken up on some other day, Your Lordship. Today I have some slight problem, Your Lordship. If my friend can accommodate, you can choose any date convenient to you.
My Lord, in fact, my Lord, I have today matter was fixed as per our understanding that today Your Lordship will hear the matter. That's why, my Lord, I came from
This
God.
court is there every day to hear.
And in fact, my
now,
learned friend.
see, you are counsels. If you want to accommodate each other, it's up to you. The court would
My
not
Lord,
like
in fact,
to go into that.
there is a.
You see, it
We
should be
come on
your adjustment.
22nd, Your Lordship. 22nd.
Ulterior, unless you find there is an ulterior purpose.
No, there is
for
no
some
ulterior.
kind,
I am not, my Lord.
then
Not.
it is up to
But
you. If you are ready to accommodate, it's okay.
Otherwise, my Lord, I insist, my Lord, so far as matter may be heard.
So you want that the matter should be heard.
My Lord.
But then what about his difficulty?
That's why, my Lord. Because of the instruction.
You do one thing, you see, Mr. Sulai normally doesn't ask for time.
Lordship, on 22nd, Your Lordship. On 22nd, Your Lordship.
Just you choose a date. We'll give
All right, 22nd.
Let him choose the date, Your Lordship, because I'm here always.
On 17th or 18th, if not inconvenient, early date.
This week, you mean this week? Let it be on next week, on 22nd or 23rd.
Because
you choose the date next week.
Next week.
If it is convenient to you.
My Lord, next week then.
You have interim protection in this matter.
Yeah, there is a. Yes.
But my Lord, nobody wants one criminal case, my Lord. in his head, that's why. My Lord.
There is no criminal case against you as of now. I think it's a petition for quashing, isn't it?
Quashing of FIR, man.
Yes, but the case is not yet started.
Not it. It means investigation, criminal FIR is.
If allegation comes, investigation would be there.
My Lord.
That's because investigation is going on. You do not become a criminal.
But if your Lordship will see, my Lord, on the face of FIR, my Lord.
That is okay. That is okay.
On the face of my Lord, if there is material, my Lord, I will not say.
There is a that is merit.
22nd, your Lordship. 22nd.
Yes, Mr. Andy, shall I? 22nd is all right, Mr. Shulai.
Lordship, yes, 22nd will be all right.
Mr. Andy, shall I? None it. AG place for grant of some time on the ground of his personal difficulty. As agreed to by the parties, this matter on
22nd, Your Lordship. Obliged, Your Lordship.
Deeply obliged.
No,